Honorable Lieutenant General Satendra Kumar Saini Saab, PVSM, AVSM, YSM, BSM, ADC, who was 41st Vice Chief of the Army Staff. Nice to have you here, sir. Respected Sri Gautama ji, the Vice President and Mr. Yuzin as well, who are right here for a great collaboration with RRP S40. My dear friend and brother, Sri Rajendraji Chonkar, Mrs. Priyanka Chonkar, MD Sri Deshmukh ji, Amit Seth, Apurva, Kunal ji, Ishan Kapoor ji, and anyone of the days whose name I cannot quote over here. I must quote from Rig Veda over here. Samgachadvam sambadadvam samvamanasi janatam samana mantra samiti samani samana manas chintasam samana mantra vimantra eva samane va havisha juhomi samani va akriti samani daya niva samana nasto vaimano yathadaisu sahasati. This means that we should walk together, we should talk together, we should sit together, we should do our great works yajna together, we should take the resolve together, and we should strive for the knowledge and the development in all walks of life. And that is what we are doing right now. In our famous scripture Mahabharata, there was a Sanjay who was the eye for Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was the king who ruled Hastinapur, but he was blind. And he was blind not only because he was visually impaired, but also he could not foresee that what is going to be happen if he is taking or siding with the wrong things. So I am not saying that this is Sanjay, the macrolite is Sanjay of Dhritarashtra. I am saying macrolite is the eye of the Pandavas. Macrolite is actually showing us the way with this collaboration, that how to go about, how we should take it forward in the field of external and internal security. Meprolite, of course, is a world leader in defense equipment reasons. And kudos to Mr. Chonkar and team that they met them not for this great collaboration for India's internal and external security future. India is a repository of knowledge. But as Lord Hanuman forget all his strength and power when it was required, when the ocean stopped the advances of Lord Rama, who was righteous, who was adopting the right path, against the Ravana who was on the wrong path. And where the abducted Mother Sita was kept was unknown. Finally, when it was discovered that she is in Ashok Vatika of Didin Lanka, then everyone tried to make Lord Hanuman convinced that he has all the powers, he has all the strength to cross the ocean and reach over there. So I believe that RRP Electronic has found its Hanuman. The Shakti, the strength, the power which has gone into oblivion was rediscovered by Lord Hanuman. Hanuman made him realize that he is having enormous strength and power. He is having all the blessings or ineffable bliss of the God, and he is having all the powers of the God itself. So this innovation, company for innovation in internal and external security field, would go a long way in restoring and enhancing the capabilities of our internal and external security forces. First of all, I want to correct the introduction of mine that I am not commissioner, but I am chief of Force 1. Force One is an elite force, elite commando force of police. I'm additional DG, Additional Director General of Police, Chief of Force One, which is meant to handle the issues of internal security in exigencies, particularly when there is a terrorist action. So, this is very much related to what the products are. I started my career in Gadchiroli, which also required this sort of equipment. My training period went into the jungles of, thick jungles of Gadchiroli, bordering area of Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, which is marked with Naxal or left-wing extremism. So internal and external security goes hand in hand. And for that, what we are doing, we means the RRP, S4E, and this macrolide, the steamed macrolide company is collaborating, will really be helpful. I can say for sure, as the couplet goes, कि अब हवाएं ही करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान होगी वो दिया रह जाएगा. It means that the wind of the day is going to decide whether the light will be there or not. Therefore, it is very important, very pertinent to strengthen the lights. And indeed, you are giving us the light by giving us the vision, the eye in internal and external security. Thank you very much, Macrolide, and thank you very much, my dear friend, for collaborating with such a leading defense vision company. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. It was